Hi there, welcome to the ingredient channel where I share easy to follow homemade Chinese recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bowl of silky steamed egg with shrimp. While this recipe is straightforward, there are a few key tricks to achieving that perfect silky texture. Follow these steps and you will have a dish that is hard to mess up. Start by cracking 4 large eggs, making sure no shell pieces get mixed in. Well, if you count this as a trick. Sprinkle in half a teaspoon of salt, then whisk until the yolks and whites are fully combined and the mixture is uniform in color. Add about a cup of lukewarm water. Now listen carefully. To ensure a tender texture, use lukewarm water instead of cold water and maintain an egg to water ratio of 1 to 2. Whisk again until the mixture is smooth and even. Prepare 8 shrimp, peeled and deveined. Season with a pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of starch. Then mix well and set aside. Steam the egg mixture over boiling water. Keep the heat on medium to avoid bubbles and achieve that silky texture. After 5 minutes, the egg should be firming up, but still delicate. Carefully place the shrimp on top of the egg mixture and continue steaming for another 5 minutes or until the shrimp turn pink. Turn up the heat and garnish with some scallion rings, which enhance the flavor significantly. To me, the scallion rings are a must have. Drizzle with 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Time to enjoy. The texture is incredibly smooth and the dish is packed with flavor. It is perfect for breakfast or as a delicious side dish. I hope you enjoy this simple recipe and feel more connected to the rich Chinese food culture and its unique ingredients. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, happy cooking.